If you want to access a particular element on a list, you can do this by referring the index of a particular list. For example, let's say an item is equal to my list at index 0. If we print and save this, so we have the item. Okay, we print bananas. So you can also try to access the orange. Just put here number 1, as just remember that when we are counting the lists, we start with 0, 1 and 2. So if we print, so we have oranges, we can test it to number 2 here, and then if we print it, so we have the apples. Okay, you can also specify a negative index. For example, this refers to the last element of the list. So if we print our list here, we get the apples because this is the last element of our list. Okay,